grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something, if you need it, you can grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something.
Hello all you wonderful people out there, welcome to Jamaican Experience. My name is Gabi and today I'm going to tell you about all the things I miss the most about Jamaica and the one thing I don't. So stay tuned until you will find out which one I really don't miss it none at all. The first thing that comes to mind, I miss my friends, of course, family. I miss Christmas dinner at my friend's house, which was really special. We always celebrated it sort of like German stylish. Her cookies were amazing and I really miss that. And all the friends and going out for a drink and stuff like that. Then I miss nature, of course. I mean, Jamaica is such a beautiful place and so diverse with mountains and rivers and the ocean, the beach, and it's so beautiful. Germany has nice parts too, and summertime it also is very green, but it's totally different. Which brings me to the climate. Climate here, right now we have like 31 degrees. I'm melting as well here. But in Jamaica you have mostly constantly about 30 degrees Celsius. Germany definitely is a nice place too, especially in the summertime in our area, and but people are enjoying it. They go into the rivers and going out and having fun. But still, Jamaica, the vibes is totally different. I remember Sundays at the beach, especially Sundays when everything is quiet, or where I live. Of course I miss my yard a lot. I miss my breadfruit tree, I miss my ackee trees. I hope the ackee tree is still alive. And yeah, I miss that. I miss the stars. Because here in Frankfurt, I can't remember when last time I saw stars, never mind one star. In Jamaica it's like you feel like you can touch them. And I remember my first husband, he used to know everything about stars and he always used to tell me about this is the Milky Way and this is that one and so on, you know. So it's really beautiful, it's amazing, and you really feel like you can really touch them. I love that. What else do I miss? I miss the food. Of course I miss the food. I even miss hard dough bread. I can't believe I say that also, but I definitely miss hard dough bread. I miss ackee and saltfish. Here you can buy ackee. At least we used to can buy it. That shop unfortunately don't sell them anymore. One can was like for 10 euros. You believe that? But once in a blue moon we did buy them because we miss it so much. We found kalaloo on occasion, you know, and some Chinese and Indian shops and so they have stuff sometimes, but it's nothing compared to Jamaica. Like mangoes here, they are so expensive and they don't taste half as nice as in Jamaica. And I miss the breadfruit, I miss jerk chicken, I miss peanut porridge. That would be one of the first things when I go back to Jamaica, whatever that might be. Also will be definitely peanut porridge. I hope that porridge man is still there down on Liquor Pot Way, and those are the things I really miss. I miss shopping in Jamaica, believe it or not. Shopping is so much different. If you go to the ordinary supermarkets, you have somebody who packs your groceries and bags. He also, if you want to carry them to the car or to the taxi, which in our case wasn't that nearby, so you had to walk a little distance to get to the taxi stand, and you know, so that was really very convenient. Here in Germany you have to hurry up and rush to get your things inside your bag and stuff, like, you know, it just comes so fast you can't even look that fast. It's ridiculous. What I also miss is the little shops. You know, you can go to little shops almost any time in the day. You can buy there your little bread or some eggs, some bag juice, and I do miss bag juice, God no. Here you have something it called slushy. It's nice too, but doesn't compare to bag juice, trust me. The shops are just unique. The entire culture. I visit Chinese shops, you know, where you can buy anything from a pin to an anchor. I miss the taxis. believe it or not. I miss about it that they stop anywhere. So if I say one stop, he will stop right there, maybe at my friend's place or whichever place I just want to go, like us, and they just stop there. Try that with a German bus, and so when I say one stop, also he thinks I'm crazy. So there are certain bus stops where he will stop, and same thing with the tram, the U-Bahn, and whatever else we have here. Of course, you have that in Jamaica too. Like you have buses, they have their specific bus stops, like the Knoxford bus and thing like, but it's a bit different. And you have the bus parks, you know, I like the hustle and tussle and the excitement there. I miss patty, did I mention that? I miss patty very much. Patty, cocoa bread, Easter bun, like Easter bun and cheese, and all those goodies. And what I also miss is the vibes from the Jamaican people. It's like when I used to walk home, everybody used to say howdy and Gabi, how are you? And it just had a totally different culture. I miss the language, I miss speaking Patois, even though we speak it at home quite a lot, if not even always. Maybe like a Denglish, German, English Patois sort of thing. God knows what we are speaking at home, but something like that. But I do miss Patois. I love Patois. It's just such a wonderful language, and I love how Jamaicans talk. They talk with their hand and their feet and everything, and the over-excitement, and this is so totally different from the mostly more quiet and introvert Germans. So this I miss very much too. And guys, believe it or not, what I also miss is rainy days in Jamaica. It's just so wonderful. When the rain falls on the same roof and the noise it makes, you know, and the place cools down, and I really love that. I also miss the night noises, believe it or not. At night you hear all those tree frogs, crickets probably, and maybe lizards. I don't know what the hell is making so much noise. You hear them more in the eastern part from Jamaica, it's my impression, but where we live also you can hear them too. And it's really very relaxing, and I really love that. My favorite time in Jamaica is winter time. They have the same seasons like in Germany. Winter time is not quite that hot, you know, so it's more cooler, and I really like that. So now we are coming to the part I don't miss, guys. The one thing I really don't miss It's nothing so exciting, I guess, also, but what I don't miss is washing with my hands. It's no problem while you're doing it, and I did it for 25 years like us, and it was okay. But after having a washing machine now for 10 years, I really get to appreciate it a lot. So that was one thing I don't miss about Jamaica. And I'm really glad I have one now. It's not like you can't have a washing machine in Jamaica, but if you don't have a pipe, you have a problem, right? So guys, that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching. Remember to subscribe, like, share and comment down below. Let me know your opinions. Let me know what you miss about Jamaica for the Jamaicans living abroad. And take care of yourself and respect. Peace!